Hello, my friends. I want to talk about one of the most essential items in my self-care, health, and wellness ritual, which is castor oil packs. Very specifically, castor oil packs from my friends over at Queen of the Thrones. Here you can see this pack is wrapped around the right side, so covering up the liver and gallbladder region. And you can also just adjust it slightly if you want it over the belly. If you're feeling some bloating or water retention, you can also move it a little bit lower to cover up the uterus and ovaries and pelvic region if you are struggling with menstrual cramps or want to support the uterus and ovaries during perimenopause and menopause. So this same pack can be used in multiple areas, and I want to talk about a quick how to do it and why to do it and the reasons why for me as a naturopathic doctor and also a person who just wants to have a nice, healthy wellness routine at the end of a busy day. Castor oil packs have been with me for almost 25 years now, and I continue to do them. Today it's a little rainy, it's a little gloomy outside when I'm recording this video, so it is a perfect day for what I like to call the at-home spa day, and having a few different things that you can do for yourself in the comfort of your own home that will improve your overall vitality is so important, because it just makes it more affordable, easier to do, and not so time consuming. So when you just want to relax and unwind, you can read a book, you can watch a movie, just have this on while you're lounging at home. It does so many things to support your general health. So we're going to get into it and talk a little bit about how to do it and why to do it. And first off, most importantly, I want to talk about why I'm using Queen of the Thrones, a few different reasons. Number one, they have made the entire process less messy and easier to do. You may already know that castor oil is a little sticky, and the old school method was that we had to drizzle the oil over a flannel cloth, put that cloth down, perhaps cover it with a towel, and then put a heating pad or a hot water bottle, something like this, and the whole thing took time and was a little bit messy to do. Now, with this nice easy pump, you can drizzle the oil right inside your pack, and then you can wrap the pack around like I have it here. And another key feature is that you can purchase the liver pack, and it comes with an insert, so you can have 2 layers of your flannel, which extends the life of the pack. Now, another really important reason that I choose Queen of the Thrones is because it is the highest quality castor oil pack. It is preserved in a glass bottle, amber glass, so it is preventing any of the endocrine disruptors, which we know are harmful to our hormonal system that come from plastic and other chemicals, to leach inside and get into the oil. Because what is happening when you do a pack is that your body through the skin is actually absorbing the oil. It penetrates a little bit deeply through the skin and helps to move the lymphatic system below. And the lymph is like our garbage pickup, and we want that to be moving in an optimal way to let go of any kinds of toxic things that could be getting stuck in the system, causing more sluggish digestion, any kind of discomfort in the abdominal or pelvic region. And so castor oil packs are great for sleep. They help us go into that rest digest mode at the end of the day, so really starts to calm and relax the nervous system. It's great for just beautiful, more radiant skin, so another reason to use castor oil in a lot of different areas. It can reduce pain, so when we're feeling uncomfortable in any area, putting that castor oil over it and wrapping it is another nice way to kind of flush the tissue underneath and support a reduction of pain. It can also move the fluid below the surface, so for water retention and bloating, these kinds of things, it is a wonderful adjunctive therapy that can just be part of your home healthcare routine. So Queen of the Thrones, non-toxic, in the glass bottle, nice pump here, so it's easy to put the oil onto the pack without getting so messy. and just the convenience of it all. It is so wonderful. These nice straps here that tie around are so comfortable. They're not like a thick elastic, so it feels really nice to tie it around. And when you have the pack on, it just feels like you're giving yourself a really nice hug. It just immediately warms up, and so your body heat will do all the work of what in the old days used to be the heating pad, the hot water bottle, some more bit of a production. So here you have the pack, and it's got 2 layers. So I put the oil on the inner layer here. You can see that, so that the greasy sticky part doesn't come through to this protective film on the outside that extends the life of the pack. So you can just get the liver pack with the bundle, which will come with a bottle of oil, and then you can purchase an additional insert, and that insert you can just keep reusing, use those up and then exchange them out, and then you can keep reusing the actual pack for a longer period of time. And these nice ties are so easy and convenient to do. You can put it on and put a big oversized t-shirt. Nobody will even know that you have it on, and it's giving you a nice little hug while you do a few things around the house, read a book, relax. So castor oil packs, part of my health and wellness routine for 20 plus years for women of all ages, truly. A couple of things is that you just don't put it over a pregnant belly or any open wounds. And of course, consult your provider if you have any questions about implementing a new therapy just into your health and wellness routine. But castor oil packs have been one of my staples, and I am a huge fan of my friends over at Queen of the Thrones that have made it so much easier, so much more convenient, and really a lot less messy. So try it out and post in the comments. Have you done it before? Are you just new to doing castor oil packs? What's your experience? And if you do it for a few weeks on end, I'd love to know what you notice in your own body.